Hello, teacher. I am José Almaraz Alonso, and this is my first partial project. The turbojet is an older jet engine. It has a turboreactor air inlet, an air compressor and combustion chamber, and a gas turbine and a nose. The turboprop is a jet engine that moves a propeller. The thrust it generates is thanks to the propeller. It has a propeller, a shaft, an air compressor, a combustion chamber, a gas turbine, and a nose. The turbofan engine has a fan in front of the engine. The incoming air is divided in two ways: primary air flow and secondary flow. Has a fan, a compressor, turbines, a nose, and secondary duct. The turboshaft engine is a jet engine. It gives a power through a shaft. It is similar to a turboprop, but this generates residual thrust. This engine is used in helicopters. Reciprocating engine work with the Otto cycle. We know them as piston engines. They have cylinders, spark plugs, valves, cams, camshaft, pistons, and other components. The spark plug produces the ignition of the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders through a spark they are used in the reciprocate engine. The intake valve is made of metal and allows the air-fuel mixture to enter the combustion chamber. The piston is made of forged metal. It builds a barrier which compresses the air-fuel mixture. The valve spring is made of metal and allows the intake and exhaust valve to open and close. The exhaust valve is similar to the intake valve, but it lets out the combustion gas. The connecting rod is metallic and is responsible for transmitting the movement between two parts. The cam is a metallic and mechanical element that is attached to an axis by a point that is not its geometric center. The crankshaft is an axis moved by the connecting rod. It transforms the rectilinear movement into uniform circular movement. The rotor blade is located in the fan and they are responsible for entering the air from outside to the compressor. A shaft is an element that guides the rotational movement of a part or a gear. It is known as an internal combustion engine, and its cycle is known as the Otto cycle. It has a It has four states. The first is the intake state, in which the intake of the air-fuel mixture is carried out through the intake valve until the combustion chamber. In the second stage uh, is a compression is carried out where the piston compresses the mixture. The third state is called combustion and is when the mixture is compressed and a spark plug generates a spark, makes the mixture explode and the piston descends, carrying the force through the piston towards the floor. Finally, the exhaust valve is open and the combustion gases are released. This state is called exhaust state.